Hi friends, today I am going to explain the topic of rests. So rests which are used in lathe machine. Actually in lathe machine we are using two types of rests. One is steady rest. One more is
This study rest,
one more is follower rest. We will see how these are working on a lathe machine. We will see. So, this is a steady rest. This can be fixed on lathe bed. So this is a flat type of lathe bed. This is inverted V type of bed, lathe bed. For proper placing, there is a separate arrangement is there. So for proper fixing of this particular steady rest, there is a one clamping plate is also there. This is the clamping plate. With the help of clamping plate, we can fix this steady rest on the lathe bed. So my dear friends, so this steady rest can be placed on a lathe bed. So this steady rest can be made up of with cast iron. So, sir, what is the main important function of the steady rest is to steady rest as well as the follow rest. These are used for supporting of long length jobs. Only supporting of long length jobs in order to reduce the vibrations and as well as some cutting forces fluctuations. So, in order to reduce fluctuations as well as uh, vibrations which are produced during the machining operation, we are using this type of rests. So coming to for steady rest. So coming to follower rest. So follower rest can be placed in saddle of the machine. So these are two holes are there, one and two. So these are connected to the saddle. So this is the saddle of the lathe machine. This is connected to the saddle. Whereas this steady rest fixed on lathe bed, it is fixed steadily. There is no movement in this particular follow steady rest. There is a movement in follow rest. Well, while we are moving the carriage handle, longitudinal handle, this steady rest moves on the lathe bed. So one more important thing in follow rest, follow rest having two jaws, two radial jaws, one and two jaws, whereas this steady rest having three jaws, one, two, three. Three jaws are placed 120 degrees to each other. Three jaws are placed. This is the body of the follow rest. It's a steady rest. This is the these are the radial pins, 1, 2, 3 radial pins. This is the lock pin. So when we are removing this lock pin, so it is coming easily out. So for heavy diameter workpieces, we are removing this in this way. This is the lock pin. This is the lock pin. So this is called hinge pin. Hinge. So sometimes these three jaws are having at the end. These are provided with flat ends. So these flat ends are flat tips. These are flat tips are made up of with copper. Sometimes these are made up of with cemented carbides. Sometimes made up of with some other materials also. So what is the main function of these arranged these tips at the end of the jaws here? To avoid the some marks are produced on the workpiece. So in order to avoid marks produced on the workpiece, so we arrange these tips. So, some other time we are also using these tips for avoiding wearing out of the workpiece. So for this purpose we are adding these type of tips. So sometimes these tips are made up of with copper and sometimes these are made up of cemented carbide also. So let's see how we are adjust the workpiece. We will adjust the workpiece in the cutting tool in the lathe machine. So in this way we can fix the workpiece in a lathe chuck, spindle, and the spindle also. Then you can move the jaws. In this way you can contact all the three jaws to the workpiece. So these two rests are used for finishing operations as well as turning operations. Most of the cases for finishing operations as well as turning operations. In this way, for follower rest also you can contact the jaws to the workpiece. So now we will see the operation of follower rest as well as steady rest. So most of the cases rests are used for supporting of long length jobs. What is the operations like? It can be used for plane turning operations as well as finishing operations only. These rests are used for plane turning operations as well as finishing operations only we are using. It is not used for like lathe drilling operations, lathe what is that, threading operations, something else. So this is the final output of workpiece with the help of rests. So rests are mainly used for reducing of vibrations as well as fluctuations in the workpiece. So this will play essential role during especially in industrial purposes. Light no problem. So this is the output of the workpiece using rests, follower rest as well as steady rest. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts, please comment on your comment section. Please share, subscribe. Thank you, yours Valaya Chintada.